Hello friends, welcome to our kitchen, and today we are making a special cake. In fact, my kids are making special cake for their grandparents. It's their 51st anniversary and they'll be making specially for them. So my son is making banana cake. Devansh, let's start. Can you tell us the ingredients? What will we using? What all ingredients are we adding?
2 cups of all-purpose flour,
Okay,
a pinch of salt,
good.
1 teaspoon of baking soda,
Good. Yeah.
and then half tablespoon of baking powder.
Okay.
And then you mix them out.
Then we'll mix it. Okay. Now we can keep it aside, right? So for wet ingredients, we have taken main ingredients is banana. So we have taken 3 medium-sized banana, which we have to mash properly. So we have mashed it properly. Banana has to be mashed properly, otherwise the pieces will come in between. So it has been mashed. Now we'll add sugar. Sugar is 1 cup of or 1 measure of sugar, whatever measure we are taking. So it's 1 measure of sugar, and it's 3/4 cup or 3/4 measure of curd or yogurt, because we are making an eggless cake. So we are using yogurt, and 3/4 cup of oil. We are using olive oil, but you can add even butter or ghee also. We'll do the same thing. We'll mix it. You have to mix well. And this will add half tablespoon of vanilla essence and juice of 1 lemon. And then we'll mix all the ingredients properly. This batter will add the dry ingredients. It's all-purpose flour. So now we'll mix our dry ingredients. And it has to be mixed in. You have to whisk it in one direction. We can use a hand blender also or electric blender. So mix our batter nicely, and we have to fold this batter so that the air get trapped and the cake will come very fluffy. I think Devansh, it is done. You can pour it in a baking dish. Devansh has greased this baking dish first with little oil, and then he has sprinkled some all-purpose flour on it, so that it will be easy when the cake is baked. It will be easy for we can take out the cake easily. So we'll put the batter in it now. We have poured the batter in the baking dish, and now we'll even it. I think that we have to move from the center, yeah, so that when the cake bakes, it come out flat. Actually, it will not rise from the middle. I think our oven is ready. We have preheated our oven at 380 degree Fahrenheit, and we'll bake it for around 40 to 45 minutes. So I'll bake the cake now. So my younger son Pulkit is making cream for the cake, banana cake, and he is very excited for that. He's making it for his grandparents. So Pulkit will be adding. We have taken half cup or half measure of butter. That it's in the it's not melted also, it's actually room temperature. So first we'll beat this. So you can put it in a bowl. Good. Now we have to blend it. Mix it with a hand mixer. Yes. He's doing at speed 4. We have taken 1 stick of butter, that is half cup, and to this we'll be adding 1.5 cup of cream now. We can add cream. Okay.
Cream, yeah.
Yeah. So we have added 1.5 cup of heavy whipped cream. So we have to mix it, Pulkit. At the 4 or 5 speed you can take it. Very good. So we have to mix it for around 5 minutes till it starts getting fluffy. We're in 2 minutes of mixing, and we can stop, Pulkit. We can add sugar now. It is 3/4 cup of sugar we are adding. It's fine sugar. Let's mix it again around 5 minutes. So Pulkit has been resting it for around 5 minutes at speed 7, Pulkit. And we can see how well the cream has come. We just stop it now, okay, it's done. You can see, it will fall down. Keep it here. You can see how nicely it has come. So we'll decorate the cake. Our cake is baking. It will take another 10 minutes, I think. Then we have to cool it down and then we can decorate it. Right, Pulkit? Yes. It took almost 50 minutes to bake. And you can see our cake is ready. And it has come out so spongy and soft. So we'll wait till it cools down and then we'll take it out from the dish. Cake is ready with the decoration. And happy marriage anniversary, Dadu and Dadi. Yay!